Hey guys, so here's part 2 to my 1986 CR80. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do these videos. I just went ahead and tore it all down and started to do some repairs and rebuild a bunch of stuff. So I think what I'm going to do now is just kind of show you where I'm at and just kind of go through some of the things I've done. So first thing was, this side of the frame here was all dented in. So I thought, you know, I'll fill it up with weld, and that seemed to work okay. This side here was not dented, but it had a little pinhole. So I went to weld it and it just blew up. So I actually had to patch it. I'll put some pictures in. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'll put some pictures of before and after. It still needs a bit of work. It's not perfect, but I used an old handlebar from a Suzuki DR650. The foot pegs, I've had to build up some weld there too. They're really bad. Again, I still got to clean it up a little bit. I had to weld the nut over here. Just getting it all ready for sandblasting, and then I'll send it in for powder coating. But yeah, this bike, it's in rough condition. So yeah, I'll take the frame down now. I still got to do the subframe. Look at that. Horrible. So I got to fix that too. Get that all cleaned up and straightened out. But yeah, rough condition. But I think we'll get it. Okay, so I'll take the frame down now and get some other components up here. Yeah, so here's some of the other things I've done. So the ProLink was absolutely trashed. Every bearing was completely shot. So I tried fixing this one up, but I couldn't. It's destroyed. So I had to get a new one, and I got it from eBay. And it was okay, but it still needed the bearings freed up. They were pretty seized. So I actually found some bearings on Temu or no, AliExpress. There's a 5-pack, and I think they were like new old stock. It was like $10 shipped to my door, so. Foot pegs, they were bent and twisted like a pretzel. I had to add some weld into the holes to get rid of the oblong. But they turned out pretty good. Had to do a little bit of welding. There's some cracks and whatnot. Front hub, it wasn't in very good shape either, but completely rebuilt it, new bearings, new seals. The collars, you can't get these collars anymore. Focus. So I just cleaned them up the best I could, but I think they'll be fine. Yeah. And now I got to clean up all the spokes and the nipples. I might just get new nipples if I can. But the spokes are all in pretty good shape. They just need to be cleaned up. And what else? The next thing, I got the rim all cleaned up too. It's not perfect, but it's okay. Next, I'll be today. I'm gonna tackle the caliper. So you're probably all wondering about the engine. So let's go to that now. All right, on to this disaster. So there was no oil in this engine when I started taking it apart, but there was plenty of water in there. So the whole bottom half is completely destroyed with water. The cylinder, I'm hoping I can get that repaired because these are very hard to find. Pistons you can get all day long. I'm not sure if that's the original piston or not. If you guys know, can you let me know? Yeah, bottom end is shot. I mean, when I got it, it was seized, so I mean, it's not seized now, but yeah. Yeah, it's just gross and really worn. I mean, look at that. But then surprisingly, some things are really good, like the counter shaft here. It's in pretty good condition. No drain plug because it's completely stripped. So yeah, next step is I'm gonna split this case, see what's going on inside. I was actually, believe it or not, I was actually able to get it to shift. Not very well, but it did actually shift. So we'll see what's going on inside when I split it. But really, I need to find a new bottom end. I think. I don't think there's any hope for this thing. There's some of the other bits. There's still lots of good parts, like the kickstart shaft is in good condition. Really good condition. But other things are pretty bad. So that's it. I've been working on some of the plastics, not quite sure how that's going to turn out. Some of them are really bad, others are okay. Still got to locate the correct exhaust system for it. Yeah, just keep plugging away, and I'll just keep updating. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.